What are the best Super Bowl TV deals 2019? I have you covered, and they're coming right up. It's Super Bowl 53, and for the 53rd Super Bowl, I'm bringing you the #1 savings in the country. Hello, I am the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. Big screen TV deals, but I have very small muscles and overall emotional well-being and weaknesses tied to not just my strength, but everything else I bring to the table. So I'm going to put this down. And there we go. You guys might actually remember, I just gave away a couple of big screen TVs, so that was pretty cool. But my job right here is a deal hunter. If you've never seen me before and you're wondering, wow, that was a strange way to open a video. Yep, that's me. I find the biggest deals and savings everywhere, and as we count down to the big game, I want to answer a couple questions very quickly. Is the Super Bowl the best time to buy a television deal? What also should you not buy? And then we're going to get into a few other very key important points. So, before we get to the savings, a reminder, if you expand the video description box right under me, you can find links to some of the best TV deals. And then also a quick reminder that you do not want to buy a soundbar. I almost said television. You do not want to buy a soundbar at the same time as a TV. The soundbar deals are not from any of the big box retailers tied to the big game. Many of those better deals, if you want to enhance your home theater system, actually drop a little bit later. And I'll have those, and I'll direct you toward those links. But back to the big question. When is the best time of the year to buy a television? It is still Black Friday. In fact, it's actually not Black Friday. It's the week that leads up to Black Friday. The week leading up to Black Friday, as a deal hunter, and if you guys don't know this, I've been working as a deal hunter for almost 2 decades. I work for televisions across the country, and I study price trends. It's like a really bad resume, too. It's just sounds really weird to study price trends. I'm just really cheap. I'm frugal. But the television deals that lead up to Black Friday are legitimate price drops. Stores are trying to entice you, get you onto their websites, their mailing lists, so they can hit you really hard when the actual Black Friday day approaches. But that day after Thanksgiving is a day that now typically runs rampant with televisions that are manufactured specifically for Black Friday. So that means the TVs are going to have inferior processors, fewer HDMI ports, and if they're a TV that's built for Black Friday, as in retailers and manufacturers specifically put the television on sale only for Black Friday, you can't actually call it a sale because it was never reduced. But if you actually look at the prices, that week leading up to Black Friday is the best time of the year. When it comes to the Super Bowl in January and February, we see television deals. They're just not the same selection. The mid-range televisions and lower-end televisions are fantastic at the end of the year. For the Super Bowl time, it's generally the larger scale, higher brand televisions. The price drops within 10% of Black Friday. So if you missed out on Black Friday and you can't wait till November, the prices that I have found are all very similar to Black Friday pricing. They're just not quite the absolute lowest. So again, any consumer reporter who tells you that the best time of the year to buy a television is Black Friday has not looked at recent price trends or done his or her research. It's also like people who try and tell you that, oh, the best day to buy a flight is on Tuesday. That was true 9 years ago. It's changed a lot. So sometimes you have to stay up to the trends on that. So those are my reminders, but those deals all waiting for you. If you expand that video description box right under me, you're going to find a couple of my favorite sales. And then more importantly, if you are, again, looking for a Super Bowl soundbar, I have those deals coming up. I've got more tech deals, more smart tech savings. So let me know what you would like to save money on. And if you are rooting for a specific team for the Super Bowl, I hope they win. A reminder with the Super Bowl being February 3rd, 2019. And also a lot of you wondering if you are on YouTube, can you stream the game for free? You can actually stream the Super Bowl for free on CBS, which is great this year. But February 3rd is basically the cutoff for television. So Super Bowl Sunday, you will see some television deals at Best Buy with same-day pickup options, but right after that, we actually enter a point where televisions are not a good purchase for quite some time. So just a reminder, if you're trying to plan a TV purchase, now is your time. All right. Thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, a reminder, I do send out updates with the biggest deals. I do unboxings and giveaways and tech and more tech and lifestyle items. And I would love if you would stick around or join me if you're not yet subscribed to this channel. So here's what you can do. Click on my head right here. That will subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications so you can get those updates when the big deals drop, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did over here.